children, we all learned how to read the word families, right? Now you are going to get fun with this activity. This is called a word a slider. This is called a word slider. This word slider makes you uh, easy to read the words, children. So how to read this? You just already we know uh, a and a and t makes the sound at. So here you need to push this up and you need to read it. B at bat, k at cat, h at hat, r at rat, m at mat, at fat, at sat, at pat, at pat, at sat, at fat, at mat, r at rat, h at hat, k at cat, b at bat. It's easy, right, children, to practice the word families. These are at word families, children. You can also make it and you can also practice at home. Good job. So we have done one activity with the word slider. The second one, you just take any type of paper like A4 sheet, whatever you have at your home. Just take it and draw ice cream, one slanting and one more slanting to join this, and then put a sleeping line to close it, and you just draw slantings here also, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and here you draw the ice cream scoops like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you just for example, if you want to practice at words, just write at here, at, and then you had to make a words with this at. I'll just start with a, at, hat, then k, at, cat, and then r, at, rat, then at, mat. So in this way also you can practice the word families, children. If you want, you can color it or you just practice like that. You will get a lot of fun, children. So after this we'll go to our practice notebook, children. You all have like this, right, children? You all have these lines. I think Mama has drew for you. So here we need to write. I have done it. Yeah. You had to write first the date, 22nd July 2020. You had to write in this way, children. You need to copy from my book. Don't take your mama, your papa's help to write. Try to copy from my notebook directly. Read and write. You have to write this first in your notebook, then at family words. This also you need to copy. Then you have to write hat, bat, hat, mat, cat, rat, and then again you had to copy the same here, children. Like B-A-T, bat, you need to write it here. H-A-T, hat, M-A-T, mat, C-A-T, cat, R-A-T, rat. You need to copy this, and then here I just written here draw. That means you need to draw the picture, children. Like this is a bat word, right? You need to draw the bat. This is hat. You need to draw the hat. This is mat. You need to draw the mat picture, children. This is cat. You need to draw the cat picture. And the last one is rat. You need to draw the rat picture. After this, once you're done, you had to copy the sentence, children. The cat sat on a mat. Always you need to start with the capital letter, children. When you are going to write the sentence, you need to write always the first letter should be capital letter. T should be capital. The finger gap, you need to maintain the finger gap, children. Word to word, when you are writing, you need to maintain the finger gap. So, the cat, finger gap again, sat, finger gap, on, finger gap, a, finger gap, and then mat. Once you completed this sentence, always you need to put a full stop. So here the next one is, again you need to copy, read and write, add family words, and rag, bag, tag, wag, same again you need to write here, and then you need to draw the pictures and you need to write the sentence. The finger gap, bag has a tag. You have to again write here 2 times. That means almost all you are writing 3 times, children. Now here and word family, read and write, and family words, fan, fan you need to write, can, pan, pan, van, man, man. You need to write 2 times, and the third column you need to draw the pictures. It is a fan, you need to draw the fan. Can, you need to draw the can. Pan, you need to draw the pan. Van, you need to draw the van. Man, you need to draw the man. It is not at all going to compulsory to draw the pictures, children. However you know, you try your best. Okay? And the sentence. Always begin with the capital letter. The boy ran with a pan. Once you completed the sentence, you always put the full stop, children. So children, we completed the word families at, ag, and. Right, children? So we learned how to read the words, and we learned how to write it, and we learned how to draw, and we learned how to write the sentences and read also. So I request you everyone, please copy whatever I have given in the practice book. Copy with your own, don't take your parents' help, and read every day whatever your parents are going to stick on the wall, that you need to practice every day in the morning. And I know my kids will do it. Love you children. Goodbye. Take care.